So you want to gain 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. We're going to go ahead and get right into this video. The first thing you need to do to gain your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube is find your channel niche. Find what you like to upload, find your topic. If you like to do like comedy videos, you like to do reaction videos, ASMR, gaming, etc. Second, you're gonna go ahead and make the video. Make sure you cut out most of the parts of you not talking. All right, when you go ahead and make your video, make sure you have a very good thumbnail. Download this app called PixArt. Make sure the thumbnails have like a lot of contrast and a lot of color, because the thing about YouTube is they go by impressions, how much impressions your video gets. So usually my YouTube videos get about 100 and some impressions and stuff like that. And impressions is like if somebody looks at your video, or they don't have to click on it, it will automatically get that amount of impressions. And another way to gain subscribers, make sure you don't be bland in your videos. Make sure you be your true self. Don't be just quiet like, no, that's not gonna work. Be energetic, don't be aggressive, don't try to overdo it. Just be energetic and be who you truly is. Second, you need to add some good background music. Make sure it's not copyright. Go to the YouTube audio library. Nothing on there is copyright, and they have some good instrumentals, so especially some hip-hop instrumentals. I'm using one right now in this video. And make sure you download this app called CapCut. CapCut is what I used to edit TikToks and YouTube videos, and CapCut is totally free. You can get some good effects in your video. You can add in background music. You don't have to do nothing. You don't even have to pay for using green screen or chroma key or none of that stuff. Fourth is getting straight to the point of your YouTube videos. I do not like when I watch like a tutorial video or any other kind of video and they just don't get straight to the point. They start talking about what has nothing to do with the video, and that is just it's annoying to me. And last but not least, make sure you add some, you can just type in memes. You can put in a few memes in your video. Don't try to force the memes and put too much in there, because it will be kind of annoying, repetitive, and not that funny. I put in a few memes in my videos sometimes. One thing you do not put in any memes that's picture memes. Make sure it's a video meme, because that's going to make it a lot more funny, because picture memes is just cringe to me. Also, make sure you guys have your comments turned on, because a lot of people might want to interact with you. They can't even comment. That might just prevent them from subscribing to your YouTube channel, because there's a lot of people starting YouTube and their channels are automatically set made for kids and stuff like that. And when the video is set for made for kids, it turns off the comments and the likes, and you do not need that turn off. Because I've seen a few videos where the comments was turned off and I didn't even subscribe to them. Like, you need to have your comments turned on. Unless you're under the age of 13, they're gonna turn off your comments. Or if you're like 15 or 16 or something like me, you can even be 19 or 20 years old, and if you look like a little kid, they gonna turn your comments off. They don't do it to me. They did it on my ASMR videos, but they never did it to like my regular videos. Well, I hope this video informed you guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, go follow my Instagram, turn on post notifications. See you guys later, and peace out. Bye.